Do girls like man boobs?
I guess so.
Yeah?
Totally.
Just because you guys look good in boobs.
Yeah.
What's up?
Welcome to the most entertaining show of all time, Street Flicks Map का दोस्त, the host, entertainment का double dose, Duke Boss. आइए मेरे साथ on the street of Kolkata. Let's find out how people in Kolkata react to a question. Are you in for it? So you have to come and follow me. Let's have some fun. What's up, guys? So here I have two beautiful ladies, as you can see. So the question for you is, do girls like man boobs?
Yeah,
Yeah?
totally. Man boobs?
Man boobs.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course. Okay.
No, not at all.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No, I don't think so. They don't like it.
No,
No.
because we have them. Why do the men want it? Yeah.
Fine.
I swear, no, not at all. Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
No.
No?
No.
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 No, obviously. No.
I don't think so. I don't like.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Not at all.
Why?
It's just too gay, I think. I just don't like it.
Because boys are jerk. I'm not interested in man boobs. Why will I interested in it?
Okay, for you.
Yeah. Just doesn't suit them, I guess.
It sounds like gross.
It's like?
Gross.
Okay.
I don't prefer them. Like, no, not at all. No.
It actually sounds very funny.
What about what?
Do girls like man boobs?
No idea. No idea.
Sir, आपको?
No.
No.
The bare chest. I guess so. Yes.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Nope. Definitely not.
Definitely not.
Well, earlier I used to have, but right now I don't have all the stuff because I've already started gymming and all those things. Yeah.
They do.
They do.
They do. Yeah, they do. Absolutely, they do.
How are you so confident about that?
It's X.
A guy with a mustache or without mustache?
But the beard is fine with the mustache? I don't think so.
Singham. It's like Singham.
Yeah.
Singham.
Without a mustache.
Why?
Because clean shaved guys are smart.
Without.
Without. Why?
With a beard, but not with a mustache. I'd prefer a guy with a beard, but not with a mustache. They look very strict. I don't know. I find people with mustache very strict.
Very strict, huh?
Yeah, very strict. That's it.
Looks like dabang.
I think they do.
I guess beard will be better.
Beard will be better. Just because you have it.
Without.
With the mustache. Yeah, I like them. They look hot.
Specific reason for this. Men with facial hair is like women with makeup.
Okay.
So like women use makeup to hide their flaws on their face, and men use their facial hair.
Mustache plus beard. Not only beard, not only mustache.
With a mustache.
With a mustache, why?
Yeah, that looks sexy.
With a mustache but without beards.
No, with the beard. Yeah, it's
With the beard.
full grown beard. Yeah, well, same.
The same thing.
Yeah.
Why?
We have the same taste. It depends upon the guy. It suits the. If the mustache suits the guy, then it's okay. If not, it's not. Please remove that.
With mustache and beard, both.
Mustache and beard.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you have a beard, then the mustache should do. Otherwise, no.
Without beards. Mustache is still
Just the mustache. Nahin, I wouldn't like that.
I get a mustache, so why not?
Only if you're Johnny Depp.
With the mustache.
With the mustache, but without beards.
No, not at all.
Without beard.
Beard is in, I think, in trend, so I think I'll go with the mustache and beard.
No, I think this is the perfect.
Just because you guys look good in beards.
Yeah.
So it's a wrap for this episode. I hope you all had fun, and if you had fun, please don't go anywhere. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have anything to say, please drop your comment on the comment box below. Until then, keep loving. What's up?
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. And never miss to say what's up. Try to be yourself. Everyone else is taken. Don't try to change yourself because people will love you the way you are. So don't worry about what people are saying. So keep watching our episodes, keep loving us, and keep streaming. What's up?